Hey guys, welcome to the Beermuda episode. This is an episode that Joel and I filmed on location as we went through the brew tour. So Beermuda is an event across 4 breweries. There's Ballistic, Slipstream, Helios and Hiker. There's free buses all day. You jump on a bus, you get to the brewery, drink some beers, you get on another bus, go to the next brewery, drink some more beers and have some fun. If you ever get the chance to go to Beermuda, highly recommend it. Cheers. Hey guys, so here we are, we're at Helios. I've already grabbed myself a beer. This is Dionysus. This is Beermuda. So it's a little bit slow for start of the day because it's only 2 o'clock, so the buses have just started. We got on one. They got in the wrong direction, but I've got myself a beer. It's fucking great, I love this day. Alright, so we're going to just chat to some randoms down here. They're not really randoms, it's Ryan and Lucy. How you going guys? How's Beermuda?
Yep. I'm not even doing it. I'm here for one beer.
That's Beermuda, mate. You're here in the menu. Beermuda's fucking going. This is how we do it. It's a little bit of a gab through the difference, wouldn't you say?
Exactly. Get to try lots of beers, etc.
Yeah. We're waiting on. I don't know why I keep doing that because I got a mic here anyway. I can just hold that there.
You get to colour in.
Yeah.
Lines.
100%. Yeah. So you got like a colouring in competition, or is it a label? What's going on?
It's a can label. You guys can all enter. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. It's a bit Saratoga to say that because that sounded very fucking corporate. Yeah, 100%, yeah. Are you guys getting on the bus?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Yeah? Yep. Is this your first stop? Have you started here?
This is where we're
Oh, yeah, nice.
Primarily because of the smoker man out the front, mate.
Yeah, I haven't had lunch yet, and it's 2 o'clock already, and I haven't eaten, and I'm on about my 7th beer, so.
It's a busy lifestyle.
Here I am, behind the bar. I'm at Helios. This is an old haunt of mine. I used to be behind this bar shitloads of times, but I'm not anymore. I'm just here to drink beer, chatting to Ev. How are you, mate?
Get a Kronos up here.
Oh, mate, have you got it on tap?
We will.
You will?
We will.
Yeah, nice. There's old Scotty. Scott's the owner over here. How are you, mate?
Living the dream, man.
Living the dream. So, Beermuda, how's it going for you guys so far? You reckon it's going to pick up in about half an hour?
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's going to go nuts.
I want to cry and go home.
Yeah. That's what Beermuda happens, hey? Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah. What's the best beer? What's the most popular beer so far?
We've got Chungus on.
Yeah.
The Chungus.
Yep.
So
what is it?
It's a mashup of Dionysus and Pegasus.
Yeah, nice. So,
They balance each other out really, really nicely.
what's the ABV on it?
6.2.
Yeah, nice. That sounds really nice and balanced. What's been the pick of the beers that you've had? Like, what have you had so far? Are you starting here and having 1 or 2 beers, or what are you doing?
We started here. This is number 2 that I'm going to pronounce it wrong. Dionysus. That's
Dionysus? No, I actually don't know how to say it.
No. That's that one.
Yep.
That is probably pick of the one so far.
Yep. Have you had the Chungus?
Surely that's not a name of a beer.
Yeah, it is. So there's Pegasus,
Yeah.
and then there's Dionysus, and then Jake the brewer's like mixed the two, and he's created Chungus.
Oh, sick.
The Wrath of
Usually
Chungus.
the next beer Jordan's going to do.
Yeah.
Surely, like, I mean, yeah, I'll give it a go. But
Yeah. What's the goal today? Are you guys got a brewery you want to go to and a beer you want to try, or you're just happy to experience the day as it
I
is?
haven't been to Hiker Brewing yet.
Yep.
So I've tried a few of their beers that I got from one
I
of
hear
the
it's pretty good.
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. I've had a few from their celebrations at Greenslope.
Yep.
I had a few of them, so I'll be going there and see what it's like.
They're
Yeah.
great beers. I can
Okay.
highly recommend. Every now and again I go there. Maybe partial. Keep on keeping. I'm going to go and find some food. We need some food, Joel. I need some food. Yeah, when I say we, I mean me. All right, guys, so we're at Slipstream now. Shit, I nearly fell over. Cheers, man. Have a good day. Come on in, drink beers. It's not on us, unfortunately. I'm not going to shout you guys. We do have a tab, but go and see if there's a guy in there called Hendo. See if you can get a beer out of him. Woo! All right, so here we are at Slipstream. This is stop, I don't know, it's one of the stops on the Beermuda Trail. There's a heaps of people here. I'm drinking New Zealand, it's not even my beer. My beer's over here. It's a New Zealand Pale, fucking coaster. There we go. Look who we should find, the Kaz and Hendo. So Are you having a good time, Kaz?
I don't want to go back to work.
Hey, excellent. That's a good thing. Don't go back to work. What are you drinking?
Laguna.
Oh, nice. Yeah, very good beer. What are you drinking, Hendo?
Drinking the New Zealand Hazy IPA. It's
So
delicious.
am I.
Yeah.
Yeah,
very good.
what a good beer. What a good beer.
Loved it.
Hendo, I know this is your first stop, but after this, like, what are you expecting? Like, are you going to a specific brewery to expect to taste something? What's on?
I'm going to your house.
Hill Hiker?
Yeah.
They had cloudscapes on and I forgot to water it and I'm like, oh, holy shit. I had to jump up and grab a pot before I left. All right, so after this we're going Hiker and then Joel and I are going to shoot down to Ballistic and do some filming and then we're going to fuck off back to Hiker and finish our day, I reckon. All right, so here we are, we're on the bus. We just left Slipstream and we're about to go to Hiker. We're on the bus. What's your name, man?
I'm Ben, mate.
Ben?
Yeah.
What's your name, Ben? Peter? I'm only talking to Ben and Peter because fuck the other guys, it's not too far back.
Anyway. Yeah.
How's Beermuda for you guys? Is this like the first time? Is this the second time? Or
First time, yeah, it's been
first
pretty
time?
good. Yeah,
Oh, really?
Yeah, first time.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Where did you start? Like where?
Oh, what was the other one? I can't remember.
Helios.
Helios, yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, okay. So you started at Helios and you come to Slipstream.
Yeah, good beers.
Yeah, and then so you're going to Hiker, and then are you going to go to Ballistic after, or?
We're going everywhere. Oh, well, yeah, we're going.
You're going to all of them.
Yeah, we're going all of them.
Yeah. And then what are you doing after? What's the game plan? What's the end?
Depends on the beers. Depends.
Cloudland.
Right,
They actually have a beer there. So my name's Adsy, but they actually have a beer there called an Adam beer, not the other one. Do you reckon you want to taste that one?
fuck yeah. If it's from you, yeah.
Yeah, man. It's a barrel aged. So this is what an Adam beer is. It's a barrel aged, strong, dark, hoppy, sometimes sour, smoky beer.
Yeah.
And so this is like I think it's a 9% beer. And it's super complex. It's really like you're gonna want to get on it. Like you don't be pretenders.
No, I won't.
Yeah.
Not the camera. No.
Oh no, man! I've got you on camera. Oh, yeah. All right, so Ballistic for their Beermuda, we put on a flash tattoo event. So you can come along, have a pint of beer, and you get a fucking tattoo. I got one very early on. It's a little hop dude going for a walk. He's got his ABV sign there, and Chris has been fucking working his heart out the whole time, man. How's it been?
Yeah, it's been awesome, man. It's been pretty busy. It's been a steady flow of people coming and going. So
Yeah, nice. Is it more beer-focused tattoos, or is it just fucking anything?
A bit of both, man. I've done a snail with the beer on its back. I did a Reaper holding a beer.
Yeah?
Laura did a beer, just a beer cup.
Yep. Just all sorts of...
Half fish, half lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit of random stuff.
Yeah, nice. Are you... do you think that this is like the sort of event that could happen more frequently, like people would love to come to, or is it the sort of thing that's pretty niche that we can only do once a year?
No, a few times a year, I reckon.
Yeah.
There's been a lot of people getting their first tattoos here. I think it's a less intimidating environment to come and get a tattoo. So.
Yeah. Man, I fucking love it. Obviously, I've got 2 tattoos in the last 2 weeks. Because, well, you talked me into it.
You have to get that bloody Ferris wheel, mate.
No, I'm not getting a Ferris wheel, mate. What's your favourite sort of design to be doing? Is it?
Or anything like this, illustrative stuff. So
Yeah.
anything that I've drawn, really. So
Yeah, nice. Cheers, man. Well, how many beers have you had?
About 3 so far.
Yeah.
I'm going easy. We're gonna try.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Thanks, legend.
Thanks, mate.
So you guys are obviously here for Beermuda. What's been the highlight so far? Have you like had beers, or is it lemonade, or is it the tattoos? Because I got one earlier.
I really like the Irish Red Ale.
Oh yeah, it's a nice beer, eh? Yeah. How about yourself?
Just a variation, trying a lot of different beers.
Yeah. How many have you got on a bus? Like, where did you start, and where are you at so far?
And we're in Hiker, and we've been here.
Yep. Are you going to Helios? Or?
I guess so,
Yeah. What's the end strategy? Are you going to end at Helios, or you're like going, we don't care where we end, we're just going to
Sort of see
keep
where.
going and see what happens.
Yeah. Like, as long as they let us on the buses, we'll keep keep on going.
Right, isn't that a good idea? Is this your first Beermuda or is it one of many?
This is my second.
Yeah.
I came last year. I told all these guys.
Oh, the Oktoberfest?
No,
the one before in May when it was freezing fucking cold.
Yeah. Was that the first time Hiker was there as well?
Yes, it was. Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Yeah. How about yourself?
It's first time.
First time, first Beermuda. Yeah, okay.
I didn't
Are you
even know
enjoying
it
it
was
so far?
It's been great.
Yeah.
I love the whole like connection with the buses.
Yeah, it's good, hey?
Yeah, it's
Hey,
a great idea.
you can get to one venue and you can like ensure that you get to taste many others.
Yeah.
What's your favourite beer?
The fruitier the better for me.
The fruitier the better.
I can't get enough of it.
Where have you been so far? What have you had?
We're having now the peach sour.
Yep.
Followed by the hot chocolate chili stout.
Yep.
Keen to give that a go.
Did you start here or is this one of...
No, this is the third.
Oh, so you started at Helios? Or Slipstream?
Slipstream.
Yeah. What's the impetus for coming to Beermuda? Like, is it the beers with mates, or is it just trying different beers at different places, or
just trying different beers, hanging out with some friends, you know?
Yep. You didn't expect to be on camera today, hey? They all threw you under the bus. Like I was saying, I go, who hates to be on camera? And they're all like, fucking talk to him.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Cheers so much, man.
Right.
Are you happy for us to use this online?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we're going to anyway. It doesn't matter. We've come from Slipstream, and then Joel and I went down to Ballistic, and then we walked back up in the pouring rain, and you guys have been here the whole time since we got here. What's it been like since you've been here? Has it been good drinkers, good people, or you want to kick them all out and just drink on your own?
Is it raining?
Yeah, it is raining. Have you got washing out?
No, I didn't know it was raining.
Have you been drinking like the Pinnacle or Twilight, like any of your beers, or you just been hitting up the fucking, like the beers that are not yours?
The beers that are not mine. I love the Twilight. The Twilight's drinking very
Good
well
beers,
at the moment.
yeah.
But I'm drinking the El Nino at the moment because I want to switch off.
I mean, you think it's the El Nino? I didn't get you the El Nino.
I do beer all week.
Yeah, that's not the El Nino. I got you a bigger beer. And you've had a sip and you didn't even pick it.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it? It's like a lager. It's a lager. It's a New Zealand Pilsner.
You told me?
It's like a lager.
It's the El Nino. I just wanted to see what you said. I just wanted to...
I trust you, Adsy.
Yes, you were like going, wait on what? Like, are you guys here for Beermuda? Or did you just come here because you love the beers and you're not going anywhere else? Number two. So you rolled up and it's Beermuda and you're like, why the fuck are all these people here?
This is the first I'm hearing of Beermuda. What's that?
Oh, really?
What is that?
So Beermuda used to be like the Beermuda Triangle, and then it used to be Ballistic, Helios, and Slipstream. Beermuda Triangle, but then Hiker went and opened up, and so now it's the Beermuda Quadrangle, or whatever, right? So no one knows. We're all just...
We heard about it from the lady we get coffee from.
Oh, okay.
And she was telling us, and we kept saying that we should have see if we could find out. But we just stumbled.
So you just like rolled in and so fucking busy, and you guys like,
what is fucking on?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Cheers, guys. Thank you. All right, guys. So that's Beermuda. There's a lot of people here. It's starting to rain. I'm losing my voice, and we're just going to have a good time. I'm going to go inside. Phil's angry because he saw me walk outside with a beer, which I shouldn't do. 100%. Got to respect the licensing, so I've left it inside. I'm going to go inside and keep drinking beer so that Phil doesn't get angry.